In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online with eBay. If you're running an eBay business, you know how important it is to keep track of your finances efficiently. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool that helps you stay on top of your transactions, taxes, and expenses. By integrating it with your eBay account, you can automate data syncing and streamline your bookkeeping process, saving time and reducing errors. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the search or navigation bar at the top of the page. This is where you can quickly find the tools and features you need. Once you're there, type in My Integrations and select it from the results. Next, go to the Find Integrations tab. This is where you'll discover a wide range of apps and integrations designed to enhance your QuickBooks experience. In the app marketplace, use the search bar to look for eBay, type it in, and press Enter. Now, you'll see a list of available eBay integrations. Take a moment to browse through the options and find one that best suits your needs. There are often several integrations to choose from, so it's worth reviewing their details to make an informed decision. Once you've found an integration you like, click on its Details page. This will give you a complete overview of the app, including its features, compatibility with your QuickBooks Online version, pricing plans, and user reviews. Take your time to confirm that this integration can handle key eBay scenarios, such as managing fees, taxes, refunds, and multi-currency setups, if applicable to your business. After reviewing the details, click the Get App Now button to begin the connection process. This will initiate the setup and take you through the steps to integrate the app with your QuickBooks account. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. This step allows the app to access your QuickBooks company data, which is essential for syncing your eBay transactions. Once you've granted access, the app will also request authorization to connect to your eBay account. Go ahead and approve this connection to link the two platforms seamlessly. With the integration now connected, you may be prompted to configure some additional settings. This could include account mappings, tax rules, or other preferences to ensure your data is categorized correctly. Carefully review these options and make adjustments as needed. Finally, once the setup is complete, monitor the first few synced transactions. This is an important step to verify that the data is being imported accurately from eBay into QuickBooks Online. Double check that everything, including amounts, categories, and tax information, is correct. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected QuickBooks Online with your eBay account, making your bookkeeping smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.